In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import eBay products into WooCommerce with affiliate links using a dropshipping plugin. We'll go through the full process from setup to testing, so by the end, you'll have products published on your WordPress site and sending visitors to eBay through your affiliate tracking link. To begin, make sure you join the eBay Partner Network and obtain your affiliate details. This is what allows you to earn commission when someone clicks through your product links and makes a qualifying purchase. Keep your tracking or campaign information ready because you'll need it later when connecting everything. Next, install WooCommerce on your WordPress website. WooCommerce is what turns your site into an online store, and it provides the product structure needed for imported listings. If your WordPress site is already set up, this part should be quick. Just make sure WooCommerce is fully installed and ready before moving on. After that, install and activate the Shark Dropship plugin shown in the tutorial. Once it's active, you'll be able to use it to connect your store with eBay and start pulling in products. Be sure the plugin is activated properly so all import features become available inside your dashboard. Now connect the plugin to eBay using the required credentials. This step links the tool to eBay so it can search listings and import product data correctly. Enter the requested connection details carefully and double-check for typing mistakes, since even a small error can prevent the connection from working. Once the connection is complete, enter your eBay affiliate campaign or tracking information. This step is especially important because it ensures your outgoing links include the data needed to track referrals and commissions. From there, search for products using a keyword, category, seller, or even a product link. This gives you flexibility depending on how you prefer to source items. When the results appear, select the products you want to import into your store. Before publishing anything, review and edit the product names, descriptions, prices, images, and categories. This is your chance to organize the listings, improve clarity, and make sure everything fits your store properly. Then set the imported items as external or affiliate products so customers are directed to eBay instead of checking out on your site. After that, confirm that the purchase button sends visitors to eBay through your affiliate link. This is a key step because the button behavior must work correctly for both usability and tracking. Finally, publish the products, then test the links yourself and confirm that your affiliate tracking information is included. This final check helps ensure everything is working as expected before you start promoting your store.